Ebyo nabigambirwe aha mukoro gwo kutongoza gurupu yatweragurize ninga insurance aho abantu abakuru omu myaka omu district ya Sheema abari ba member nibija kuba nibahebwa sente z'obujanjabi nk'omuringo gumwe gwo kurwana aha magara gabo ga bukuru.
Tushemerere kubareberera bamare emyaka mingi aha bokuba ekikubaretera nibagira omuraro mbi nibagira endwara nyingi naha kigambo cyo kurwara kandi okurwara endwara nyingi ze nutritional
wargaha wazo mwirwaro bakugira ngo urwire kansa umukoyine yente tokutoyine buhunjiro obundi nkako kuboshafire nk'emitwaro nkamukaga yo murundo gumwe mu mwaka tuje tugira ngo tuza ku miliyoni z'umwenda
umuntu nabasa kutunga aha sente zikiri miliyoni 9 n'ecweka kubasa kuzomu insurance program yiki
okuchondoza okukozerwe nukoreka ngo abantu umwenda hari 10 tubine insurance y'amagara gabo ekiri cyakabe munonga omurubukuru yabo
akuba naza kwanke cyo kureberaho muzo ushanga nk'umuntu yazo mwirwaro takakebeza takumanyagara ifiye yo kweri kanatura natambura so ubwaro kutambura umukayi nabaro kurebera imyake mu yone murene musiga bamwe hari ba member basimere ekitongore eki
nibiza kongera akuboko abantu no kukora kw'abantu bakasimya kamerungi bakargo munsi bakifuriza bwenje bahangirwe abo kushimisa no kwetegereza rero bakakora icyo kikere kikabagirira umugasho
omuganda makuru abari kujunanizibwa no kurwanisa ekokoro yo munagwanye nenda omubakazi borekire ngo myaka 2 bashangira abakazi 16 omu district ya Kakumiro bine kokoro eyo munagwanye nenda batari kucumanya.
Over I think about 8,000 people die annually because of cancer of the cervix, and here in Uganda about 7,000 new cases of cancer of the cervix are diagnosed, and out of those 5,000 die.
We have come to appreciate that up to 22% of our population for women aged 30 to 49 are positive for HPV, which is the causative organism for cancer of the cervix.
Obwo bari omurukiko Dr. Gerard Mutungi or Assistant Commissioner w'indwara izitari kuturira omu kitongore eky'ebyamagara nagira ngo abakazi kanana no bari kwitwa ekokoro yo munagwanye nenda omunsi yona.
The problem why we are having many deaths in our hospitals because of cancer is because they are coming late when they're in advanced stages.
And the unfortunate thing is that it's one cancer that can be prevented, where most of the other cancers cannot. This one can be prevented. It's something that we need to focus our energies on.
Namagembe orukutwara ebyokurwanisa ekokoro yo munagwanye nenda omu kitongore kya Uganda Rural Development and Training Program nagira Kakumiro bakatandika entebekanisa yo kuchebera abakazi omu mwaka gw'2021 no kusyati.
As a way of preventing cervical cancer is the early diagnosis. So the women that we tested and tested positive for this virus, the HPV virus, were invited for a follow-up screening service. Abakazi 13 aba basize kuragurwa 23 bakashangwa barengerwe babohereza ahari Uganda Cancer Institute Mulago. Gashakwa Michael Atwachire na Ambrose Nwagaba Katsoto.